Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a pretty ambitious mission: take smartphone photography to the next level with its massive 200MP camera, and take down the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Google Pixel 7 Pro in the process. Yes, this handset could very well become the best Android phone, but the ultimate goal is to win the best camera phone crown. So what can you do with 200 megapixels? The sensor can combine 16 pixels into one for brighter, more detailed shots, or you can shoot in full 200MP mode, which gives you a lot more freedom when it comes to cropping in and reframing your pics. Other Galaxy S23 Ultra upgrades include a sharper 12MP front camera, an exclusive new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip made for Galaxy that promises very fast performance, and a flatter display that's optimized for S Pen use. I had a chance to go hands-on with the Galaxy S23 Ultra ahead of its launch, and Samsung's phone makes a very good first impression. There's a couple things you notice about the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design right off the bat. The cameras on the back are even bigger this time around compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the display is flatter. There's still a gentle curve to the 6.8-inch panel, but you get a slimmer curve with a flatter surface area, which makes using an S Pen a bit more comfortable. The Galaxy S23 Ultra should be tougher, too, as it's the first phone with Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which promises to protect the front and back better from scratches and drops. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a new 12MP front camera, which is technically a downgrade versus the S22 Ultra's 40MP selfie shooter, but Samsung promises better portraits overall thanks to better AI along with a compelling night portrait mode. You still get dual 10MP telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom, and a very strong 30x digital zoom option. Running on top of Android 13, the new One UI 5.1 software for Galaxy S23 Ultra offers a number of handy improvements. For example, with Bixby Text Calls, Samsung's assistant can answer incoming calls for you, and then you can pass on messages via speech-to-text or by voice typing. It's actually pretty cool to see the Bixby feature in action, though callers might be freaked out the first time they encounter this. The Galaxy S23 Ultra offers the same high-capacity 5000 mAh battery as the S22 Ultra. However, we're hoping that the new Samsung S23 Ultra lasts longer on a charge by leveraging any efficiencies gained in the Snapdragon 8 Gen chip. Unfortunately, Samsung is sticking with the same 45W fast charger for the S23 Ultra. We'd like to see it go higher, as the OnePlus 11 is tipped for blazing 80W charging in the US and 100W charging elsewhere. If you don't need an S Pen, the Galaxy S23 Plus could be a better value. For $200 less, you get a slightly smaller 6.6-inch display, but the same powerful Snapdragon chip, most of the same camera upgrades, an equally bright screen, and the same 256GB of storage. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a release date of February 17th and is available for pre-order. The starting price is $1,199 for 256GB of storage. So, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.